Hey guys, so today we're going to show you how to install the Blue Alpha dump pouch. If you haven't seen our overview video, basically, big picture, it is a minimal sized dump pouch that carries what you need when you're at the range when you need it. It can hold a 32-ounce Nalgene or 4 rifle mags or a combination of rifle and pistol, kind of just whatever you need. And then it folds up very, very small. So what's the most unique part about this dump pouch is how it mounts. So we have one mounted up here on the belt. As you can see, all it's going to do is it's going to go up behind the MOLLE of whatever is there. So if you have a rifle mag pouch or a radio pouch or 2 pistol mag pouches, it doesn't really matter. As long as it is either our Blue Alpha MOLLE straps or the malice clips, something that's thin that's in there, the dump pouch is going to go up behind it and then roll over onto the backside of the belt, Velcro in, and then the exact same how our Blue Alpha MOLLE straps work, the same tab system is here on the dump pouch. Now, the only thing that we have found that the dump pouch doesn't work with is that, I can't remember the company, but it's basically a hard plastic piece and there's just a lot of hardware and screws that go into mounting all the accessories. If you have to put a bunch of hardware to put on whatever pouch you're doing, this may not work for you. But if you use just kind of like the standard MOLLE systems, then this will work fine. So let's go for the install. So what's really nice is that if you're using the Blue Alpha MOLLE straps or our rifle mag pouches or whatever it is you're using, one way to tell you're going to install this correctly is that all of our logos are on the back. So if you're using our rifle mag pouch with our MOLLE straps and our dump pouch, if you see all the logos, then you're installing it correctly. We're just trying to prevent you from installing it backwards and having to redo it again. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the 2 MOLLE tabs that we have here, and the only tool you're going to need is some kind of broad, flat object. You don't want to use a knife or something that's sharp, because while this is triple stitched right here, a knife is just going to end up cutting these threads and you're going to have a problem in the end. So that being said, all you're going to do is flip over your belt. You're going to start by just kind of inserting the tabs behind whatever it is that you're going to be installing. And then for here, we're going to take our screwdriver. We're going to push them up. And then you're going to push it up as far as you need to where you can just grab the tabs. And then from there, apply a little pressure and you're just going to pull the tabs up all the way. And then from here, we have the loop Velcro. So just ensure the loop Velcro is going onto the hook. So from here, when it's looped over, you're not actually losing any of your Velcro contact. Now, this dump pouch is designed to work with a 2-inch and 1.75. So if you're running a 1.75 belt, you may notice that the squares are a little lower on the belt. That's perfectly fine. We just did that to ensure that we can accommodate all of the belts, whether it be 1.75 or 2-inch. So then from there, all you're going to do is just like on our MOLLE tabs, you're going to go up underneath the first strap there. Then once that's pulled tight, you're going to then just tuck this tab back up underneath itself. And just like that, your dump pouch is now installed. Now, the same goes for if you want to remove the dump pouch, if for whatever reason you don't want it or you want to move it somewhere else or the mission dictates, honestly, I don't even care what your excuse is. If for some reason you want to take the dump pouch off, all you're going to be doing is just the exact opposite. So take the tabs out. As you can see right there, you're going to lift them up. And then from here, just hold on to the belt. Pull it out. Now your dump pouch is gone, but your rifle mag or radio pouch or whatever it is that you mounted it behind is still there. And that's really the beauty of our dump pouch, is that you can take it off and remove it and still keep whatever it is that you had on there. Now, if you just want to mount it by itself, as you can see, it's perfectly capable of doing so. But to maximize the space on your belt, we suggest putting it behind something. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Head over to bluealphabelts.com now to check out anything that you've seen here. I hope you guys have a great day.